We encourage teachers to engage their students, and we thought one of the best ways to do this online is by the use of voting or polling. So it's very easy to set up polling at the online school. Just go and press the plus sign at the bottom, click Start a Poll, and then you have 6 preset polls to begin with. So yes and no, true and false, and A and Bs, and all the other letters. So if you were to ask your students a question, you can press yes and no, and that would pop up a yes and no button in the bottom right hand corner of your student screen, and they will have the options to either press yes or no or not respond. And for each answer, you will see the aggregate response rate at the top here, and you will see your individual students' responses at the bottom. You can press publish polling results, and that will show you the answers to everything.